Tonight, I'm exploring Vigan City, one of Philippines' most treasured historic destinations. Right away, I'm greeted by an impressive Vigan Cathedral standing proudly in the heart of the city. Walking closer, the cathedral almost glows against the night sky. Also known as St. Paul's Metropolitan Cathedral, this church has served as a center of faith and community for centuries and remains one of Vigan's most recognized landmarks. Off to the right stands a separate bell tower, another iconic piece of Vigan sky. Together, the cathedral and the tower immediately make it feel like I've stepped back into another era of Philippine history. Crossing into Plaza Salcedo, the rain has left the pavement glistening under the lights, and standing at the center is a monument dedicated to Dr. Jose Rizal, the national hero of the Philippines. Just ahead is the famous dancing fountain of Plaza Salcedo. I missed tonight's water show, but even without it, the plaza feels alive with reflection dancing across the water and lights illuminating every corner of the plaza. We've now reached the colorful Ilocos Sur Letters, one of the city's most popular photo spots. Each letter featuring artwork representing the culture, traditions, and identity of the province. And just beyond it stands the Ilocos Sur Capitol building. Decorated for Christmas, the lights give the entire area almost a magical atmosphere. One thing you'll notice immediately in Vigan is that transportation itself becomes part of the experience. Horse-drawn carriages, known as Kalesas, still carry visitors through the city and have become one of Vigan's defining symbols. The other option is taking a Trike, so I hop inside for a different perspective. As we pull away from the plaza, this quick ride becomes its own little tour of the historic center. Looking back, I once again see the cathedral and the bell tower rising above the city. No matter where you are in the center of Vigan, these landmarks always seem to find their way back into view. As we continue, small restaurants, shops, businesses appear, showing another side of Vigan that goes far beyond its historic attractions. Somehow, Vigan feels both modern and centuries old at exactly the same time. Now, I've arrived at the most famous street in Vigan, Calle Crisologo. Immediately, I notice the crowds, the cobblestone beneath my feet, and the warm light spilling onto the street ahead. Families and group of friends gather outside restaurants enjoying dinner together. Even at night, this street encourages you to slow down and simply enjoy the atmosphere. As we continue walking, the architecture becomes impossible to ignore. Weathered walls, exposed brick, wooden windows, and centuries-old buildings line both sides of the street. Every step feels like another page from Vigan's past. Restaurants remain busy, families continue strolling, and visitors stop constantly to admire the scenery and take photographs. The warm lights and relaxed pace make it difficult not to linger a little longer. Then comes a sound that has become synonymous with Vigan, the soft click-clacks of horse hooves against a cobblestone. A Kalesa slowly passes by, reminding us that history isn't simply preserved, it's still alive. Eventually, the crowds begin to disappear, and Calle Crisologo becomes a remarkably peaceful street. One final horse carriage rolls through the street, ending the evening with the same timeless atmosphere that has made Vigan famous. The next morning reveals a completely different side of the city. Trikes, motorbikes, and commuters slowly fill the streets as residents head to work and begin another day. Back at Plaza Salcedo, the fountain looks completely different in the daylight. From above, I can literally appreciate the size and the layout of this beautiful public square. Nearby, rows of horse-drawn carriages patiently wait for passengers. Seeing so many lined up together is another reminder that tradition here continues to be part of everyday life. Returning to Calle Crisologo during the day changes everything. Without the evening crowds, it's much easier to appreciate the detail of the architecture and the craftsmanship surrounding me. Outside this shop sits an old wooden wheel and handcrafted souvenirs. Every storefront seems to have another interesting detail waiting to be discovered. Stepping inside feels more like entering a small museum than a shop. Wooden carvings, paintings, religious statues, and handcrafted furniture fill every corner, reflecting the artistry and deep Catholic tradition of this region. Back outside, the street comes alive again. Shops are opening, families are arriving, and the visitors are stopping to take photos and enjoy one of the Philippines' most iconic heritage districts. The daylight reveals details that disappeared at night. The exposed brick, weathered facades, and wooden balconies make it easy to imagine what these streets may have looked like generations ago. From illuminated cathedrals and peaceful plazas to horse-drawn carriages and centuries-old streets, Vigan offers something incredibly rare in our modern world, a chance to slow down and walk through history that is still alive. If you enjoyed exploring Vigan with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me on the next adventure, and we can continue discovering food, culture, and hidden gems of the Philippines and beyond. Until next time, this is Entropic Travel.